Overdrafting a Go2Bank card involves spending more money than is available in your account, leading to a negative balance. Go2Bank provides a feature called Protection Plus, which allows you to overdraw your account up to a certain limit, usually around $100. To activate Protection Plus, you must opt into the service through your Go2Bank account dashboard or by contacting customer support. Once Protection Plus is enabled, when you attempt a transaction that exceeds your available balance, Go2Bank may choose to approve it within the overdraft limit. If approved, you will incur an overdraft fee, typically around $15 per occurrence. This fee will be deducted from your account balance, further increasing the negative balance. To avoid overdrafting unintentionally, it's crucial to monitor your account balance regularly and keep track of your spending. Overdrafting should be used sparingly and only for essential purchases or emergencies, as it can lead to additional fees and financial strain if not managed carefully.